What will the guest experience be like in Diriyah?
You know, it's interesting because the kingdom was never open to tourism. Now, we're blessed because we are the custodian of the two holy mosques. So we have the two blessed cities of Mecca and Medina. And prior to COVID, we welcomed 16 million people to pilgrimages. But in the vision of His Royal Highness the Crown Prince, we're putting substantial infrastructural monies into the two holy cities where we can attract immediately 30 million pilgrimages. Now, if you're Muslim, the embodiment of your life's dream is to do a pilgrimage to the kingdom. And the kingdom has been historically, through its history, very generous in welcome people from all over the world. But previous to the new tourism strategy by the Crown Prince was that if you did a pilgrimage, you had to go to the two holy cities, but then you had to return home. This policy has been changed because now anyone that comes to the kingdom, and you can get a tourism visa within minutes, sometimes 2 to 3 minutes, but now, post-COVID, we had 27 million pilgrimages, right? So, but now you could stay 90 days in the kingdom and visit all the 13 provinces in the kingdom. This is beautiful because with modern technology, especially social media, we just had the CEO of TikTok on, people don't know that it snows in Saudi Arabia. I mean, 2027 will host the Summer Games. 2029 we're hosting the Asian Winter Games in the beautiful new modern city of Trojena up in Neom, right? Well, this is going to be revolutionary because people don't know that it snows in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. We have the largest natural sand desert in the world, the Empty Quarter. Take your breath away. We have rolling green hills like a baby Switzerland in Asir. We have the largest palm grove in the UNESCO World Heritage Site of El Avassa. The Egyptians are famous for the Red Sea. They control 21% of the Red Sea. Saudi Arabia has 44% of the Red Sea, but we never opened it. Now we have gorgeous resorts. People are going to the Red Sea. You got the historic city of Jeddah. You got the East Coast of Dammam. So there's so much to do here that it's a very exciting time.